Hello and welcome back. This module will equip you with the correct mindset as an affiliate to help you generate those massive commissions. To be at the top of your affiliate marketing game where every prospect and subscribers go to, I suggest you implement the craft strategy. This is the attitude that you need to maintain when affiliating. Let's go through it one by one. The C in the craft strategy represents consistency. We have all heard of the famous story about the rabbit and the tortoise race. The tortoise successfully wins the game because of its consistency. By now, you should know that a successful online business does not happen overnight. It's a process of progress. So, how and what can you do to be consistent? When you're an affiliate, it is a given to always be consistent in your technique. I would say to keep your consistency in the know of what's happening in the market. I would advise you to look it up in jvzoo.com. Head to their marketplace and identify the top grossing products there are. I'll share with you the strategy for this particular lesson in future chapters. Meanwhile, the R in the craft strategy represents risk taker. You want that extra commission, right? Then keep this in mind. You must be comfortable about being uncomfortable. Remember, conviction and comfort cannot stay in the same room. Being convicted to your goal means getting out of your comfort zone. So get to know the current online marketplace and ask yourself these sets of questions. Is the list of pros greater than the cons? Will this reach your target audience? Should I add this kind of bonus to this product? Should I even promote things that are not rewarding but according to my niche? The A in the craft strategy represents action. There's no point in planning if there isn't any execution. Let's be frank. With all the planning in your head, are you getting anywhere? If you don't start somewhere, will you be getting the extra commission? If you don't put up those killer bonuses, do you think it'll be beneficial to your prospect and subscribers in the long run? So don't wait to act, regardless of your circumstance or situation. This here is the starting line of doubling or even tripling your commission. The F in the craft strategy represents follow-up, the basic and nonetheless critical mindset you need to always remember. I think you would agree that following up to your list is important for you to earn the extra commission. Let me suggest a way for you to follow up with your list effectively and efficiently. There will come a time when you have already established a large list, and it'll get overwhelming to follow up with your list manually. So sign up for any autoresponder software available out there. For instance, Aweber. They provide automation services and editable mail layout for you. However, the key is to be consistent. If you don't do it, you don't earn. If you do, you will earn that extra commission you've always wanted. The T in the craft strategy represents time management. Spend at least once a week to study the current product in the marketplace and find out the reason why a particular product is increasing or decreasing in demand. This will allow you to train your observation and analytical skills. With these skills, you'll be able to promote the right product and have a higher commission in return. New products are released every day. If you don't believe me, head to the JVZoo's product library and towards the latest launch tab. Just look at all the new products waiting for you to promote. Bottom line, if you don't do a timely visit to this place, just look at all the opportunities that are slipping away right in front of you.